Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you guys my Sephora play box. It got here a little late, but let's take a look. Here is the little card that you can use online or in-store to get your 50 points when you buy something. And this has more information about the products inside. So here is the bag. I love that it's recyclable. The first item I pull out is this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. This is really good if you want your eyeshadow to last all day. So next up from Diva Curl, this is a mild lather cleanser. It's going to provide weightless moisture, body, and frizz control for wavy hair. So next up from Amika, this is a dry shampoo. So this definitely will come in handy when it gets hotter. This is sunscreen with SPF 40, water and sweat resistant. So next up we have NARS, and this is a bronzing powder. I love the packaging. I love that this has a little mirror, perfect for travel. You can also contour with this. So this is my bonus for this month, and it's a perfume. And I always think of Windex when I see this. So let me know if you guys receive Sephora. If you do, let me know if we got similar products. I do like this box overall, not bad for $10. So like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.